Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 4 of my holiday graphic liner series. Today we are doing this really cute bow eyeliner. As we've been doing, I want to hear your guesses as to what astrology zodiac sign this liner is inspired by, so leave your guess down below. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Let me show you how I did this.
We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around, and around, just like these snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, falling for you. Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together, and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I I'm actually very impressed with myself, I'm not gonna lie. This makeup look, drumroll please, is inspired by Taurus. It felt very Taurus to me because a bow is usually on top of a gift, and I feel like Taurus, you are very good gift givers, but you're probably also a really good gift receiver as well. Leave your zodiac sign down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got it right. And I'm super excited for day 5. Thank you guys so much. I hope you're loving this series, and I will see you in the next one.